is a 1968 Oldsmobile Toronado 455 engine with the C heads, 10.5 to 1 compression. It runs excellent. It's halfway warmed up now, and oil pressure is 45. It was over 50 cold. It's up to about 58, as you can see when I rev it up a little bit. It's got 17 inches of vacuum. I've checked compression in all 8 cylinders, and they're all 160 to 172, I believe. The engine runs. There's no blow-by. Well, it's even involved the PCB. Got a couple exhaust leaks. Timing I just set. You can see no blow-by, no smoke, good oil pressures. I just had the valve covers off and it was super clean inside. Must have had a lot of good oil changes in its life. So a lot of life left in this motor, I believe. Now we got just about a warm idle, and oil pressure still over 40, 43. Carburetors rebuilt. New point, condenser, coil. Spark plugs are all cleaned and gapped. It's a good runner. Fast idle.